Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today I have a really easy 3-ingredient pretzel candy for you, and one of the 3 ingredients is salt. This could not be easier. I'm starting with pretzel sticks. I put them in a Ziploc bag and I'm just banging them up. I don't want to crumble them into absolute crumbs. I just want like bite-sized pieces. If you have a mallet, that would be better than a bottle of corn syrup. This would be a great thing to get the kids help on, really easy. And then I've got it in a mixing bowl here. This is kind of showing you the size of the pieces that I wanted. If you want, you can even break them up by hand. You want about 4 cups. It's not an exact science, it doesn't have to be perfect, but a generous amount of pretzel sticks. And then I'm pouring in some melted dark chocolate. I used 2 10-ounce bags. I melted it in the microwave. That's my favorite way to melt chocolate. I know some people are a little terrified of that method, but I do it slowly and it works. And then you're just gonna spoon out these little globs onto some wax paper, and that's all there is to it. And I didn't like measure it, I just kind of did little piles, and you're gonna let them start to dry a little bit. I don't even put them in the fridge to chill. And then I'm gonna sprinkle them, each one with a little bit of coarse salt. I'm using kosher salt because I have so much of it on hand because of my holiday cooking, but you could use sea salt. That's what my Grammy told me to use. Always listen to Grammy. And then just let these dry a little bit. They're gonna harden up in like 10-15 minutes. They're gonna be perfect. And then I'm gonna store them in some holiday tins. You can give these out as gifts, enjoy them with your family, leave them out for Santa. Really, really fun and festive and super easy. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. We're almost done with Vlogmas. I'm so excited for the big day. It's around the corner. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and hit that red subscribe button to help me finish out Vlogmas. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.